guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today I'm sharing 4 super cute but really easy breakfast ideas that your kids are going to love. Before we jump right in, I would love it if you would hit that red subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Now let's get started. Now I love making food art, you guys, and I had so much fun on my last breakfast video that I wanted to make another one. Now I'm a huge fan of just about anything with a panda on it. I think they're so cute, and today's breakfast is no exception. I'm going to start by adding some Greek yogurt to a bowl, and this is vanilla Greek yogurt. Once I have the yogurt in there, I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out as best I can. And now for the panda face. I'm actually using several slices of a black plum. This is a really tasty plum. I just found it at the grocery store. So I have 2 large oval shapes for his ears, 2 smaller oval shapes for his eyes. I'm going to place them right there in the center. And for his nose, I cut out a triangle piece. And to make it a little bit easier to get in the bowl, I'm using my chopsticks. That way I don't stick my fingers in the yogurt. And now for his little mouth, I have a little sliver of plum, and I tried my best to make a smiley face. Next, I took a Ziploc bag and I added a little bit of yogurt to the bag and I cut off the tip. That way I could easily make a little dot for his eye. There's one and the other. And you can get really creative with these eyes. You can make them big or small. You can make them look happy or angry. It's all up to you. Now in the center of his eye, I cut out a teeny tiny piece of plum and I'm going to place it right in the center. Again, this is not hard at all, it does take a little bit of time. And there you have it. I thought this turned out so cute, and the plum is really tasty with the vanilla yogurt. I like to serve this with granola on the side. Next up, I'm making some pancakes, but not just any pancakes, beautiful ones. For this breakfast, you need pancakes of several different sizes. I have 1 large one in the center. I'm using 2 medium-sized ones. Those are going to be part of his wings, and a smaller circle for his head. I'm also using 2 little pieces like this for his antennas. I'll get to those later. And then I have 2 little Cheerios to go on top. So here's how it all comes together. I'm going to take these circle parts and cut out a little piece on each so I can fit them right on the body for the wings. Then I place the antenna on top, and then the Cheerios go right here. Super cute, really easy. I'm going to go ahead and trim off the bottom just a little bit so that it comes to a point, like our bee has a little stinger. And now it's time to decorate him. I'm going to use some lemon curd. I got this at Trader Joe's. It's very English and traditional, but I love it. It's very sticky though, so I'm going to go ahead and put a glob in the center and then spread it out. Now if you don't like lemon curd, you don't have to use it at all. I just thought it would be fun and yellow for our bee. Once that is all smoothed out, it's time to add the blueberries. I'm going to put these in a stripe right across here, 1 in the center and 1 in the bottom. So this is a lemon blueberry flavored pancake, which is a great combination. And there you have it, super simple and easy. The kids will love it. Next up, I have a breakfast I know my son Jackson will love because it's dinosaur themed. To make this delicious dino, you're going to need several waffles, and these are pre-made waffles. I'm keeping it easy here. And I've left 1 whole, and the other one I've cut into a little face shape or a head shape. And I've made sure to leave lots of space for our dinosaur's mouth to be open, just like that. The large waffle is going to become the body of the dinosaur. Of course, we already made the head, and then I cut a little piece for his tail. For his legs, I just cut out 2 little rectangles. So cute. And now for the strawberries. I've sliced them like this so that it looks kind of like scales on the back of the dinosaur. So I'm just going to arrange the strawberries like that. For the dinosaur's eye, I'm going to add a slice of banana, and I'm going to add a blueberry right on top. And then for the grass, I'm going to cut up some kiwi and put it right on the bottom of the plate. And there you have it. That is awesome. A delicious dino. And last but not least, I have a fantastic smoothie bowl. We love smoothie bowls at our house. For this smoothie, I'm using a triple berry mix. This is frozen. I get this at Costco. It makes excellent smoothies. To this, I'm going to add about half a cup of plain vanilla yogurt. And then I'm going to add some almond milk as well. And you just want to add a little bit because I want my smoothie to be on the thicker side. Now once I have that all blended up, it's time to add it to our bowl. Now I wanted this smoothie bowl to be sort of blue, but it came out a little bit purple, but that's okay. I wanted it blue because I wanted it to look like water, like the ocean, because I'm going to make a cute little fish to go on top. And I'm going to use peaches. So I have one little slice of peach for the body of the fish, and then I'm going to cut out a little crescent piece for the tail of the fish. This is super easy. Anyone can do this. It is not hard at all. For the fish eye, I'm going to add a slice of banana with a blueberry on top. I'm going to add half of a blueberry for his little lips. And then at the bottom, I'm going to add some granola. That's going to be like the sandy bottom of the ocean. Then I'm also going to add a few pieces of kiwi, and that's going to be like kelp in the ocean. Super cute. I cut out some bananas to look like air bubbles. And there you have it. It came up so cute, and it's going to be very tasty. Let me know in the comments down below, out of all of these cute breakfast ideas, which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Hi guys, I'm Alanis, and we're bringing you back with a healthy choice. And today we're going to be doing a green smoothie. Half cup of green apple, half cup of cucumber, 1 cup of kale, and half cup of Greek yogurt. It's a green smoothie, and we're going to get started. So first we're going to put in the apples. Green apples, half cup of green apples, half cup of cucumbers, 1 cup of kale, half cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Scoop it into there. And you can see that it hadn't got a new blender since the first one. So we're gonna get started. Make sure you close it good. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment for this video. Bye!